Alright, so today we got some car parts in. We're doing some installs. So, got this gauge pod holder for the STI I'm going to be putting in. I got an SBT boost gauge that's going to be going here. It's going to be moving. It's actually mounted on the dash, so it's going to be coming off the dash. It'll be getting integrated into here, and I got a wideband gauge. Going to be going right here. I got some Project MU pads. I'll be putting these on the STI. I got a track day coming up June 1st, so I'm gonna got it kind of up on the ramps. So I'm gonna jack this up, get the rotors off, and get the rotors cut, and then we'll be putting out the new brake pads there. The RX7, we got some LED headlights going on. I would like to do the REM headlights, but for now I just want to clean up the stock appearance because the stock halogens really can't see very much. And I got some new Greddy air filters. Be changing the ones out in the car currently are a bit dirty, so yeah, we'll get the wheels off this and get everything started. Alright, we got the rotors back. They're all cut fresh. Project MU pads in. Again, I'm running the B spec. I think it'll be a good hybrid between mostly street, occasionally track. Yeah, so this pad's kind of a medium performance. Gives you good bite with it still being streetable. Got this side. This would be a good time to clean up the wheels real good before I throw them back on the car. So come on the inside, we'll check out how the gauge pod worked out. So we got the AM wideband, and I have the SBT boost gauge. What I like is it's all red, kind of goes with the factory red color. There you go. One thing I had to do, I had to kind of telescope this out a little bit because otherwise you couldn't really turn the brights on with how close the stock sits to the actual pod here. So moved it out about a ½ inch. That did the trick. So yeah, I'm gonna put the wheels on and see how this thing drives. Alright, so coming over to the FD, I already swapped out one so you can see the difference of the new filter. This is the old one, super dirty. It's kind of cool, you just unscrew the center. Slip it off. See how bad that one is compared to what a new one should look like. Alright, so we'll just put the new one on. And there you have it. New filters versus what the old looks like. And we also got the Sylvania LEDs. Show you what that looks like. Really nice and bright. Really pleased with how these turned out. Alright, back out here in the garage. So today we got in the Beatrush rear brace. I've always wanted to try some of their products. They always look really nice. Let's go right into it. Hardware. So this is going to brace to the floor, and this will go in between the strut towers. So what I liked about this kit was a couple things, but you can see there's already threads right there. So between like the KTS rear braces, Auto X rear braces, those all kind of required you to cut the interior, and since I am, you know, trying to stay basically full interior on this car, or at least have a, you know, somewhat tasteful setup instead of going, you know, full race stripped out like this, I do want to keep the full interior and integrity of the vehicle. So I will have to probably, I want to keep the rear carpet, so I will have to cut this, or, you know, I got to figure all that out. Alright, so basically where I'm at now, I cut out the carpet around the holes, kind of did like a rectangle there. That way I could actually set this bottom brace over, you know, the holes, line it up. And then I put, this is for the seat here, put that over top. Got those not fully snug down, but fairly snug down. And now I'm gonna work out putting the upper pieces into the towers. Alright, so getting the uppers in, I was wrong. You do have to trim a little bit of the plastic just to get this billet to kind of fasten down and clear right into there. Alright, so that's the finished product, so you get an idea how it looks and how it works with everything. After trimming a little bit of the plastic out. And then being that I did keep the carpet and didn't cut all that out, you do have to remove this thick insulation. It basically covers up some brackets and on trunk release cable. So last step, I'll take the plastic off and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is it with the plastic off. Overall, really pleased with the quality, fitment. I mean, really an awesome piece. Let's put the rear seat up. I'll close the hatch just so you get an idea